All right. Just ripped this out of the box. Got an alternator. And he pulled this off to get to the filter here. And I'm gonna go pick that filter up. So I'll leave you guys here with him, and we'll see if he records anything or even knows how to work the camera. But be back in a minute. Went and picked up the correct filter, even though the other one was correct. But this has a different micron mesh inside it, so it's got a different flow rate. That's the issue, is that the Napa filter doesn't flow the correct rate. That's why whenever you go to dump the bucket, there's too much flow, and then the pump is not getting, either the pump or the sensor or whatever is not getting the correct flow rate, so it throws the light on. But you got the right one you want to fill this up with?
No, because I got to put it on the side to get it in there.
Can't get it? What are you trying to do? Is it already tightened?
Yeah.
All right. Good? Filter on. You want to write or wipe it off and then it's right. Write the hours and the day. That's good. What's today's date? 23rd?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna probably button all this back up together and we'll start it, see if the light comes on. I believe so.
Oh,
So, what are you forgetting? The exhaust? Yeah. Yeah. So this one's, hold up, one second. So this one's pretty easy. 4 bolts. You pull it off, and then you get access to the filter. We're gonna put this all back together, and then we'll start it up. All right, we're gonna start her up. Go ahead.
Hydraulic, is that what it says?
Alternator, yeah. What the fuck? Well, we didn't even get to test the hydraulic. The alternator's not doing nothing. We're gonna put a multimeter to it. We'll be right back. So we found the issue with the alternator. Plug. Well, not plug, but
Look out.
it's supposed to go, and it's not. There's nothing there. I think the connector broke off and it's probably stuck under that nut. But I guess he didn't see it whenever we were putting it back together, so. Minor thing. I wonder if that was the issue and the alternator wasn't even bad. But.
No, because that fucking that wire sparked the other day when I pulled the alternator off.
Well, I'm just saying, I bet that has been the problem the whole time. Is that it didn't have a ground. But yeah.
It's not a ground, it's
Negative.
no, it's positive.
Oh, well, so this might be good. But, we'll put a new one on it anyways. But, oh, actually, here, let's show them starting it, and then you touch.
No, start it.
I'm not gonna start it right now. I'm saying let's do that though. Before you do anything, let's just show it again.
Oh, okay, there it is.
Is it yeah, the hook broke off. Or loop, whatever.
Yeah.
The eye, yeah, that's what they call them. Well, we'll be back in a second and I'll show you us turning it on and off. All right, you ready to start it? Light's still on. Now touch it. Let go. Touch it. Let go. Yeah, so that's what it was. Just a little wiring issue, but no issue. I just gotta go get get one of these little eyelets at this size. Yeah, you can see someone was reaming on it, bending it back and forth or something. But yeah, I'm gonna run to Napa and we'll pick up that, and I'll be right back and we'll put it back together. Went and picked up a little eyelet. I'm gonna crimp it on. Make sure it's on there good. And I have a feeling that it was on there previously, and just us wiggling the wires, it looked like it snapped off. But whatever, it's not a big problem as long as we know it's what the issue is and we can get it fixed. So we're gonna get it all put together and we'll start it up again, and then we'll test the hydraulic filter too. All right, let's start her up. Good. No hydraulic light, no oil light, no alternator light. All the lights are done.
See if it's charging. Should be charging. Should start it up. Alternator charging. Alternator lights on. No, it's kind of on. Throttle it up. Kind of see it, but it's not as bright as it was before. I don't know. I'll leave it run for a little bit and see if the volts go up. So I think we're all good now. I'm gonna just put a tender on it overnight, because we've been starting it and stopping it a few times since we got the new battery, and now that we actually have the alternator connected, it's probably gonna need a little juice. But yeah, I think that's it for right now. Everything's looking good.